In this video, I'll show you how to use the sketch to image on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So this feature basically allows you to draw anything on an existing photo, and then it will generate what you have drawn on that particular photo. So all you have to do is open the gallery and find the photo that you'd like to create a sketch for. So for instance, this particular photo. And then from here, simply tap on the AI feature or the AI icon at the bottom of the screen. And then from here, tap on create. And then from the option that appears, select this icon, the draw icon. And then from here, you should see this draw anything you want to generate on this particular image. So let's say if you want to generate a flower, you can draw a flower icon. And then once you're done, tap on generate and then give it a few seconds for it to generate that particular image. So as you can see, that particular flower has been drawn or has been generated. And then you can do the same for any other item that you'd like to sketch, and you can bring it to be an image. So once you're done, you can tap on show previous and you can see the previous image and the new image that you've currently created. And once you've done editing, simply tap on save copy, and that will be your new edited image. So you can see the previous one and they can see the new image. So that's basically it on how to use the sketch to image feature on your Samsung Galaxy S26. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll see you on the next one.